I need your advice on SaniDry Dehumidifier problems.
They have dehumidifiers for basements and crawl spaces.
They have basement dehumidifiers with a built-in defrost system that is supposed to work at 40 degrees. And my basement isn't that cold.
You can run the condensate to a floor drain via a hose-it, or you need to extend it via pipe to a sump pump. Their manual says do not put it in standing water.
If I had standing water in the basement, a dehumidifier not working well enough is the least of my problems.
They put a level bubble on the back corner of the unit. Make sure it is level before you turn it on, or else the unit won't drain all water to the drain hose.
I know that. The same thing is true of the drain pan.
Make sure the drain hose is flat, not looped up or curled up, or you could have water flow back into the unit or leak out the connection.
The thing seems to drain water, but not collect enough water.
The units draw more amps at lower temperatures and lower humidity levels. It is more likely to tax your electrical connection at 80 degrees and 60, and it is the most likely thing to die and not restart if the power goes out.
I reset the furnace often enough, I know that thing is still running.
If you set it to fan on, it runs the fan whether or not the dehumidifier is working.
It is set to fan auto, so it only kicks in the fan when the dehumidifier is supposed to be working. It just does not seem to be working.
The humidity level settings are not obvious. It classifies normal humidity as 45 to 55%, while dry is 35 to 45, so you could be complaining about the normal setting when what you want is dry.
It is set for dry, yet the room is Louisiana bog.
The unit turns off when the relative humidity is 5% below the set point.
It should then be running continuously, because it is nowhere near dry.
Then the humidistat is broken, since it cannot tell that it is too humid even when dripping wet.
What could it be if the issue isn't the humidity sensor?
If the unit runs but it is not dehumidifying, the defrost thermostat may be open, the compressor overloaded, the run capacitor failed, or the compressor circuit is broken.
The compressor is running too.
The unit cycling but not doing a good job could be stuck between running, frosting, defrosting, trying to run and freezing again. That's driven by a refrigerant leak.
Until all the refrigerant runs out.
That's at least a diagnosis of the problem.